Hello everyone. This video will guide you on how to enable extensions in Firefox private windows in Windows 11 or 10. Every modern browser includes an incognito mode, also known as private windows. This feature keeps your browsing history hidden from other users on your device. However, this function does not work on private windows in the Mozilla Firefox browser. Here is how to enable the same. How to enable extensions in Firefox private windows in Windows 11 or 10. To turn on extensions in Firefox private windows in Windows 11 or 10, first, open the Firefox browser on your computer. Next, click on the Open Application menu in the top right corner of the page. Then, click the Add-ons and Themes option in the drop-down menu. After that, click the Extensions option in the left sidebar of the Add-ons Manager page. On the right sidebar, click on the extension you want to allow in private windows. Then, scroll down and select Allow option beside Run in private windows. That's it. You can now use that extension in Firefox private windows also. How to remove extensions in Firefox private windows in Windows 11 or 10. To remove extensions in Firefox private windows in Windows 11 or 10, first, open the Firefox browser on your computer. Next, click on the Open Application menu in the top right corner of the page. Then, click the Add-ons and Themes option in the drop-down menu. After that, click the Extensions option in the left sidebar of the Add-ons Manager page. On the right sidebar, click on the extension you want to disallow in private windows. Then, scroll down and select the Don't Allow option beside Run in private windows. That's it. You will no longer be able to access that extension in Firefox's private windows. Happy extension enabling! Let me know via comment how this video is. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Do you like more videos? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.